patchme.py. Can you get the flag? Run this Python program in the same directory as this encrypted flag. All right, well, let's just grab those over here in the web shell. All right, so there's patchme.flag.py. There's that. Python patchme.flag.py. Please enter the correct password for the flag. Oh, well, that's a little exciting. That's incorrect. Let's just take a look at this Python. All right, if the user password is blah, 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 then okay. I guess what we could do, doesn't look like that password's actually important. So we'll just say the password needs to be sleuth9000. Sleuth9000. Bam! And there's my patching life hack flag. Copy. There we go.